that's my nickname. Cocaine running in my big vein. Self-made, you just affiliated. I built it ground up, you bought and renovated. Talking plenty capers, nothing's been authenticated. Funny you claiming the same bitch that I'm penetrating. Hold the bottles up, where my comrades? What the fucking felons? Where my dogs at? I got that Archie Bunker, and it's so white I just might charge a double. I think I'm Big Meech.